we're gonna go ahead and keep the volume at 15 for both before and after. What's up guys, this is Eric from B-Side. Today we are here at Apexy USA. I'm going to be installing this micro power amplifier to this Toyota GR86. It's super easy. Literally, it'll take 15 minutes to install. It's all plug and play. And this is one of our most underrated products. For a price under $300, it'll make the biggest improvement in your factory sound system. Instead of changing out your speakers and doing other more evasive installations, this I say is the fastest and the most bang for your buck that you can get for your factory sound system as well. All right, well, let's not waste any time. Get inside the car and install this amp. All right, guys, now that we're in the car, let's go ahead and get started. All right, first I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and this over here. So I'm gonna use a panel removal tool, pry this out. Okay, here it is. Let's go ahead and remove this, put in a safe location. Go ahead and remove this. Just go ahead and pull it out towards you. It's all being just held by clips. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this up above it. Okay, and then we're just gonna use a Phillips screwdriver to remove this screw here. All right, and then next we are going to pop this garnish out this way so that we could pull this piece out. So actually, let me just go ahead and try to pull this out from this side and see if I could pull the garnish out together with it. All right, and then we also need to remove this piece down here. All right, there is gonna be a connector behind the vent. Go ahead and push down the release tab and pull back. All right, now this is gonna expose our 10mm bolts that we're gonna remove. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, next go ahead and lay a thick towel or a blanket right under here so that you protect your interior. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. All right, the next step, we are going to locate the two connectors that we need to work on, which is gonna be all the way down here. These two connectors on the bottom, which will connect to our kit. Okay, here is our harness. And here is our amplifier, which will fit nicely inside there. Okay, let me go ahead and connect the harness to the car radio first. Okay, just be very careful with these brackets, these 4 brackets here. Make sure it doesn't scratch any part of the car's interior. All right, so we got 2 connectors here. This is to power up the amplifier, and this one is for your speaker. So we'll go to our harness. Let's go ahead and daisy chain our connector to the factory harness like this. This will go to the radio. Then we got the power cable. Connect right here. And then let's go ahead and connect to the radio. Everything will snap in nicely. And next, we are going to connect our ground cable over here to the side of the radio right here. This is your Phillips screwdriver, and go ahead and loosen this screw, and we are going to connect our ground wire. Okay, next, let's go ahead and connect to the amp. All right, once everything is connected, we are going to turn on the radio, confirm operation, and we're gonna tune the amp to make sure the amplifier gain is optimal. So we're gonna change some settings around and see what sounds the best. Looks like it's working. We went ahead and we adjusted the gain to make this at 12 o'clock. We brought it down probably about 20%, just because making it at max, it was just a little too much. So now let me go ahead and unplug this. We're gonna route it behind here, and then add some double-sided tape. We're gonna mount it inside there. It fits perfectly. Foam tape, this bracket here. Okay, 자, reverse order します. Alright guys, well that concludes our installation demonstration video. We even had a little visualization of how much difference it makes. And I tell you what, everybody we installed this to, they are super happy. So if you're on the fence about giving this a try, go ahead and do it. You will not regret it, and you will love how your new sound system sounds. Thanks again for watching and following us on YouTube. If you haven't yet, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.